everyone, and welcome back to Simple Spoken English, the place where learning English is easy, natural, and fun. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma. Hi, everyone. It is so good to be here today. I am very, very happy to talk to you all.
I'm happy too, Jack, and you look great today. You have a big smile.
Thank you, Emma. I have a big smile because I've been thinking about the future. I've been thinking about this year.
That's perfect, because that is our topic for today.
Yes, the big question. Where do you see yourself this year? It sounds like a big question, right?
It is a big question, but it's a wonderful question. It helps us dream. It helps us make plans.
I love making plans. It makes me feel excited.
Me too. But before we start talking about our plans, we should talk to our friends listening.
Oh, yes, you're right. Hello, friends. If you enjoy our videos, please click the like button right now.
Yes, please do. It really helps the channel. And if you are new here, welcome. Please subscribe to Simple Spoken English.
And don't forget to share this episode with your family and friends, especially with people who want to learn English and grow this year.
Exactly. All right, Jack, let's start. When I say, where do you see yourself this year? What is the first thing that comes to your mind?
Let me think. The first thing is health. I want to be very healthy this year.
That is a wonderful goal, Jack. Health is everything. What do you see yourself doing?
I see myself in the park. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. The sun is slowly rising, and I'm walking.
Only walking or running?
Maybe fast walking first. Then after 1 month, I want to run. I see myself running for 30 minutes every day.
Wow, 30 minutes is amazing. Do you have running shoes?
Not yet. I need to buy new ones. Maybe blue shoes. I think blue shoes will make me run faster.
I can picture it. Blue shoes and Jack running in the park. A perfect vision.
Thank you. And you, Emma, where do you see yourself this year?
I see myself in my kitchen, and there's flour everywhere and sugar everywhere.
Emma, are you making a mess?
Maybe a little, but I'm baking this year. I see myself becoming a good baker.
Oh, nice. What kind of cake do you see yourself making?
I want to make a perfect chocolate cake. Big, tall, soft, with strawberries on the top.
That sounds delicious. I can almost smell it.
Yes, I want to invite my friends every Sunday. We will eat cake and talk. That's where I see myself, happy in my kitchen with my friends.
That's a beautiful vision. It's not just about food, it's about friendship.
So, Jack, what about travel? Do you see yourself going somewhere new this year?
Oh, yes. I see myself at an airport. I have a big suitcase.
Where are you going?
I see myself in Italy. I want to walk in the old streets, see the beautiful buildings.
Italy! Wonderful! Do you see yourself eating pasta?
Yes, pasta, pizza, gelato. I want to sit in a small cafe and watch people passing by.
Will you speak Italian?
Maybe a little, but I think I'll use my English too. English is very helpful when you travel. And you, Emma, do you have a travel plan?
Yes, but mine is different. I don't see a city. I see the beach.
Oh, I love the ocean.
Me too. I see myself sitting under a big umbrella. I have a book in my hand.
A book in English?
Yes. I see myself reading a long story in English and understanding every word.
That's a beautiful goal. Finishing a book in English is a huge victory. And you mentioned something about being organized.
Yes. I see myself with a nice notebook. Every morning I write my to-do list.
Like 1, bake cake, 2, go to the beach.
Yes, but also my work tasks. I want to finish my work early so I have more time for hobbies.
Very smart. Being organized gives you more freedom.
What about your home, Jack? Any changes?
Yes,
I see myself in my garden.
You have a garden?
A small one. Right now it's just grass, but I want flowers and maybe tomatoes.
Tomatoes. You can eat fresh salad from your garden.
Yes, I see myself picking a big red tomato and eating it right there.
That sounds peaceful. Nature is healing.
Okay, Emma, should we give some tips to our friends? How can they see themselves this year?
Good idea. Tip 1. Use your imagination. Close your eyes and ask, what makes me happy?
Great. Tip 2, be specific. Don't say, I want to learn English. Say, I see myself talking to someone in English at a cafe.
Yes. Or, I see myself watching a movie in English without subtitles.
Tip 3, start small. You don't have to do everything today.
Exactly. Walk 10 minutes today. That is a great start.
Tip 4, write it down. When you write your vision, it becomes real.
And now, the big one, English. Where do we see our listeners this year?
I see them listening to simple spoken English and smiling.
And I see them feeling more confident every day.
I see them using new words when talking to friends.
And I see them not being afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning.
Exactly. I see our listeners becoming conversation superheroes.
And I see our channel growing too, new friends joining us.
A big, happy English learning family. That makes me very happy.
Wow, Jack, we talked about so many things today.
Yes, let's do a quick recap.
First, your health plan, running in the park every morning.
And your dream of baking delicious chocolate cake.
Then your travel plan to Italy and my plan to read a book on the beach.
Yes, and we talked about notebooks, organization, and my tomato garden.
And of course, our tips. Imagine, be specific, start small, write it down.
And the best part, dreaming about our audience becoming confident English speakers.
Okay, friends, now we have a question for you.
Yes, where do you see yourself this year?
Tell us in the comments. Do you see yourself traveling, learning something new, speaking English fluently?
We love reading your comments. Please write in English. It's great practice.
And once again, please subscribe and share this episode. It really helps us.
Thank you so much for listening. You are all amazing.
Yes, thank you. We believe in you and your goals.
All right, that's all for today.
See you next time, Jack.
See you next time, Emma. Bye, everyone.
Bye for now. Have a wonderful year.